To replace the ball-bearing retainer, first pry off and remove the existing retainer. We recommend placing an underlay beneath the wrist flex. This helps catch any balls that may pop out during removal. Once removed, take out the balls and clean the entire ball track thoroughly. Then, apply the specified grease paste evenly to the ball track. Now, snap the new ball-bearing retainer into place and insert the balls from the bearing ball set into the retainer. You can press them in gently with your finger or use a flat object for more control. Twist the ball-bearing retainer a few times to help distribute the grease evenly. Finally, wipe away any excess grease paste.